Hey guys, we've found some interesting information about Tesla that was just leaked. This information is very crucial considering that Tesla hasn't officially released it in the company's website. So keep watching so that you don't miss out on this important information. Now, the 2022 Tesla Model Y's price in Australia was reportedly released to corporate and industry customers recently. According to reports, the 2022 Tesla Model Y will start at 67,990 Australian dollars for the single-motor rear-wheel drive variant, before on-road costs in Australia. Meanwhile, the Model Y Performance will be priced at 98,172 Australian dollars. Tesla will also sell the Model Y dual-motor long-range variant in Australia. However, the Model Y long-range's price has not been confirmed yet. A glance through Tesla's order page in Australia reveals it has not officially announced the prices or delivery dates for the Tesla Model Y in the country. The website merely states "stay updated," but there are no options to order a Model Y unit yet. And the Model Y units sold in Australia will likely come from Tesla's Giga Shanghai in China, which was shut down in the last week of the first quarter due to a COVID-19 outbreak. Giga Shanghai may be back in operation in the next few days. The Model Y is fast becoming Tesla's best-selling vehicle, having surpassed its best-selling sibling, the Model 3, in several key markets. The Model Y's importance to Tesla's long-term strategy is highlighted by the fact that the company's new electric vehicle production facilities at Giga Berlin and Giga Texas are starting their operations with production of the all-electric crossover. The news of the Model Y pricing comes as Australian EV sales ramp up, with a doubling of sales in the first quarter of 2022 compared to 2021, as revealed by official sales data from Tesla's Australian arm released in March. When exactly the online configurator for the Model Y will be opened is unclear, nor is how long it will be before the new electric crossover shows up in Australia. However, the timing which follows new certification details is also hot on the heels of the opening of Tesla's Berlin Gigafactory. With Tesla now readying to ramp up production in Germany, it'll mean that Shanghai inventory is freed up for other markets including Australia. While Tesla reported a record quarter for production and delivery globally in the first quarter of 2022, with a little over 310,000 cars delivered to customers. In Australia, it revealed that it has sold 4,417 Model 3 cars for the quarter. Tesla announced that it delivered 310,048 vehicles during 2022's first quarter, marking yet another record for deliveries in a three-month span. In the first quarter, Tesla produced over 305,000 vehicles and delivered over 310,000 vehicles, despite ongoing supply chain challenges and factory shutdowns. The company will post its financial results for the first quarter of 2022 after market close on April 20, 2022. At that time, Tesla will issue a brief advisory containing a link to the first quarter 2022 update, which will be available on Tesla's investor relations website. Tesla management will hold a live question and answer webcast that day at 4:30 p.m. Central Time and 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time to discuss the company's financial and business results and outlook. Now, Tesla said its Model 3 and Model Y recorded 295,324 of the total deliveries. The Model S and Model X made up the remaining 14,724 of the automaker's first quarter 2022 deliveries. However, the company doesn't specify how many of each individual vehicle model it delivered during the first quarter. The quantity of all-electric cars Tesla delivered in the first quarter beat estimates from several analysts. The analysts indicated Tesla would deliver 309,158 vehicles globally from its three active production facilities. Tesla currently manufactures the Model S, 3, X, and Y in Fremont, California. Internationally, Tesla's facility in Shanghai produces the Model 3 and the Model Y, while its newest plant in Germany, known as Gigafactory Berlin, builds the Model Y. Despite a lagging automotive sector, Tesla managed to defy all the odds and record substantial year-over-year growth. A report earlier this month detailed Tesla's prominence in the struggling U.S. automotive market, as it was the only company to establish a positive growth rate in February 2022 compared to March 2021. Tesla saw a 93.2% increase in vehicle sales over the span, while other major automakers all recorded losses of at least 5.9%. Ford recorded a substantial loss of 27.6%, GM at a loss of 16.5%, and Volkswagen with the largest decrease at 44.3%. Well, Tesla remarkably delivered a spirited performance in the first quarter despite increasing vehicle prices due to inflation pressure. CEO Elon Musk commented that Tesla and SpaceX were both feeling the effect of inflation, which would affect the pricing of its products. Tesla hiked vehicles in its lineup by as much as $12,500, but customers couldn't stay away. In fact, Tesla saw an increase in order volume by 100% in some regions of the United States due to skyrocketing gas prices. Tesla is on pace to deliver 1 million cars in a year for the first time in its history, coming close in 2021 with 936,000 deliveries between just Fremont and Shanghai. Tesla is already about one-third of the way there in 2022, with Gigafactory Berlin beginning deliveries and Gigafactory Texas moving closer to handing over its first cars to customers. Tesla is poised to deliver 1 million vehicles easily with the 4 operational plants. However, there could be some unexpected issues related to production halts, as the Shanghai plant took a brief break from manufacturing operations. The factory was set to start manufacturing once again on April 2nd, but we're yet to get more information on the resumption of operations at Giga Shanghai. Tesla's results are no less impressive considering the market downturn, especially as other car makers reported slowing production in the quarter due to supply chain issues. Tesla production is expected to increase fast as the new Gigafactories in Berlin and Austin ramp up production in the second quarter. This should offset the problems with Gigafactory Shanghai, as the city of Shanghai went into a partial lockdown in recent days. Tesla vehicle prices have jumped around 30% over the past year, reflecting the higher cost of raw materials and logistics. But this hasn't deterred people from buying, and analysts expect the EV maker to keep a fast increase in production numbers with each consecutive quarter in the following year. Tesla will most probably surpass 1.5 million vehicles delivered in 2022, which is around a 50% increase over 2021. And with Tesla not looking to introduce new models this year, well, customers are stuck with popular models like the Model Y. Tesla churned out nearly 1 million electric vehicles worldwide last year. But don't hold your breath waiting for new models from the revolutionary EV company. Tesla CEO Elon Musk revealed that reservation holders for the Cybertruck, Roadster, and Semi, all of which have missed their scheduled production dates, will have to wait even longer before they can get their hands on the long-awaited vehicles. It appears there's still a lot of work to be done on the Cybertruck, despite Musk tweeting that he's been driving a prototype around the Gigafactory site in Texas. He explained that there's a lot of new technology in the Cybertruck that will take some time to work through. So there's a question of what's the average cost of a Cybertruck and to what degree is that affordable. Speaking of affordability, Musk also shed light on the $25,000 car rumored to be called the Model 2 that was announced on Tesla's Battery Day in 2020. Musk revealed that Tesla is currently not working on that car since the company has a lot on its plate at the moment. Tesla is known for its very advanced autopilot semi-autonomous driving system, and the Model Y offers the feature as standard. Even more advanced features such as self-parking feature and a summon feature are optional. So at the moment, maybe customers could try the Tesla Model Y, which is soon being launched in the Australian market. And with the possible prices already leaked, customers can now figure out if it's affordable or expensive to them. What do you think about this? Drop your comments via the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell, like, share, and subscribe. See you soon. Adios.